Unexplored India is this hidden side of us. We are trekkers, everybody knows that. But we also love traveling. And we love traveling in a certain way, which we don't talk much with others. We hate crowds. We absolutely hate crowds. So we will always look for a secluded beach where hardly anybody is there. We would look for a secluded forest place, or we would look for these temples and richness of our land. And we want to soak in that heritage of that place. The culture. When we go to a temple, we are marveling at that architecture for hours. We talk to people and ask them who made this, why did they do this, what is the story behind this, Raja, Rani, everything. We take guidebook with us. And then we love talking with local people. And where we find local people the best? In buses, in trains. We like going by trains where we get to meet people and we hear about their stories. But what are they doing, the livelihood, how are they this thing, what are the children doing, and things like that, which helps us to understand the culture and where it is connected with this history. We want to eat their food. I don't want to eat palak paneer and matar paneer and all that. Those are manufactured food. I want to eat the local food. For me, that is the unexplored side of our country. And every time I have traveled outside our country, abroad, I only come back marveling that we have such goodness in our own country. Why are we not doing anything about it? And every time I talked about it with people say, nowadays people want to go to resorts, they want to go to, all these 5-star places. And my deep inside me, I have that feeling, aren't there people like me who like to explore the country, the unexplored side, the non-grounded side, the history, culture, and all of these things that I'm talking about? And I found when I spoke to people, actually there are. In fact, they want to see this side of our country. And we said, we have been doing Indiahikes for so many years. We have the resources, the expertise, the people. Why don't we just launch this? Why don't we open up Unexplored India to show people the unexplored side of our country in our way, with the stories, with the culture, with the deep immersive culture, with the places where we like to stay, in a quaint homestay, maybe beside a beach, in a hillside where we can see an awesome sunrise, but there's no crowd. In those kind of places where we can go and stay and be and connect very deeply with that place. So that is Unexplored India.